problem of the week. Remember, maybe pause it, have a go at the question first of all. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to draw a sketch of what on earth's going on, trying to make some sense of this. So let's just draw ourselves a sketch, right? Mathematicians, not great drawers, just a sketch. Right, so what do we got? So we got A is minus 2, 1, so that's around about there. So it's a good idea, just pop the coordinates on. Let's see what we got. And then we've got B is 6, 5, so that must be over there somewhere. So remember, this is just giving us an idea of what's happening. And then C is at 0.4K. It tells me that ABC is a right angle. We've got a triangle, so therefore it's got to be, C's got to be over there somewhere to get a right angle in here, and that point is 4K. Right, so there you go, there's my sketch. Right, so what do we need to do? So it says find an equation of the line that passes through AC. So annoyingly, we're going to have to work out the equation of that line. Now in order to do that, I need really to know what K is. So in order to find out what K is, I'm actually going to go to, I'm going to think about what the gradient of this line is just here between A and B. So let's think about the gradient between A and B. So remember, it's the difference in y divided by the difference in x. So it goes 4 up and it goes 8 across. So obviously that's a half. Now BC is perpendicular. So therefore the gradient of BC, remember the rules, so if you flip it, change the sign, remember the two things need to multiply together to give me minus 1. Right, now I've got enough information to try and work out what this K part is. So if we work out the equation of BC, so let's stay with BC for a moment. So the equation of the line, so we know at the moment that y equals minus 2x plus c. So if we sub in the 6 and the 5, that will give us 5 equals minus 2 6 and plus the c. And that will give you, if you rearrange that, that'll give you c equals 17. So therefore, we've got y equals minus 2x plus 17. Now if you plug that 4 in to that, we can work out what k is. So I know if I plug 4 in to this, it's going to give me 9. So now this has simplified the question quite a lot. So actually what I'm doing now is I'm looking for the equation between minus 2, 1 and 4, 9. So I just do exactly the same. So let's think about the gradient first of all. Remember, it's the difference in y divided by the difference in x. So that's going to be 8 over 6, which equals 4/3. Now all we've got to do is we just got to sub that in for the equation of a line. Now looking at how it wants to format here, I'm not going to do it quite the same way as we did on the last time. I'm going to use this idea. I just think this is going to be easier. And that's the art of being a good mathematician, is just kind of knowing which part to use, what's going to make it most easy for you. So this is, because this will give me the equation of any straight line. So if I just substitute in one of those points and the gradient of 4 over 3, let's see where we get to. So I'm going to use the 4 over 9. I think that'd be easiest to work with. So let's just see where we go. So we get y minus 9, that's the y ordinate, equals, what do we got? We got 4 over 3, and then x minus, and the x value was 4. Now, just a little bit of work left with this. So let's multiply both sides by 3. So that gives me 3y minus 27 equals, I can multiply this side out here by 4. So I've got 4 multiplied by x and multiplied by the other 4 there. Gives me 16. There you go. We're nearly home and dry. We've done all the hard work. Take away 4x from both sides. So that gives me 3y minus 4x. Add 27 to both sides, and that will give me 11. And that's the answer. Just there. Well done if you did that.